Hello friends, today I will be showing you how to remove Google account in ALCATEL 1X model number 505591108, CPU MT6739WA. It has Google account in it, so today I'll be showing you how to remove it. As you see, this phone, it has been this advice was reset, and to continue sign in with the Google account that was previously installed on this advice. So please, today I will be showing you how to use it by help of CHIP assistant today. But what you need the driver, PD, APD, net or ADB drivers. So I'll be launching. As you see, I will launch. When launching, you need to turn your phone off. Turn your phone off. As you can see, first turn it on, then we need to enable the ADB. I'll be showing you how to enable it. As your phone now is off, you need to place the volume up plus the power button. Now it's time, place volume up, power button. When it vibrates, you release the power button. As you can see now, keep holding the volume up until you see we need this. Now navigate by use of volume down. We need to enable the ADB. Now place the power button. As now you can see down here, it shows ADB is okay, it is enabled. Now it's time to reboot your phone. Press the power button to reboot your phone. Wait until it comes on before you connect the USB cable and you proceed. Wait until your phone comes on. Please be patient. Now it's time now come on your tool, go where there is ADB. Now press reset FRP. It's time. Connect your USB cable to your phone. As you can see here, we have already done the ADB. Now it's time. Let me show you now. Also here on your phone, when you insert your USB cable, it will ask you, so you have to allow the ADB. It is asking the drivers. Sorry. let me put a bit. We need to install the drivers first. By me. We need to connect the phone, then repeat the procedure. As you can see now, the phone got detected, the FRP passed. Now it's time to restart our phone. Start our phone and save. For your case, at the first time, you need to allow the ADB on your phone when you see the message here, so you allow it. But for me, I did that before, so that's why you didn't see the phone asking me, or the ADB asking me to allow it on the phone, but I did that one before. So let us wait and see. This is how to remove. As you can see, we just went now. Let us power the phone on. Let us see the phone. As you can see, this is powered Go edition. It was powered by Android Go edition. It is ALCATEL. Let us see. Wait until the phone starts. Wow, as you can see, we just went direct on the screen after doing after reset FRP with the same two tools, assistant. Okay, that's how you can remove this. Because I tried in MTK side, it was just giving me error, so I decided to use that. I hope this video helps someone else out there. Please, if you find this video helpful, subscribe, give a like, share with your friends, and please click on the bell for more video to come on your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.